Namaste everyone. Today I am going to discuss scientific notation of numbers. That is how to represent very large or very small numbers in the form of k into 10 raised to power n, where this k lies between 1 and 10. Suppose we have a very large number, that is 52, and after that 10 zeros. It is little difficult to read. And same, we have a very small number, that is 0.00, 00, 00, 00 and 8. Means there is 8 times 0 and then 8. How we can represent them in k into 10 raised to power n? Now let us take the example of large number. We know here the decimal is after the number, so we have to bring it after the first digit, so that now it will become 5.2, which lies between 1 and 10. So means your k will be 5.2. Dear students, it is very important for a science student, and remember, it is nothing, just shifting of decimal only. So our k is 5.2. Let us represent it. This will be 5.2 multiplied by 10 raised to power n we have there in the formula. So 10. Now what will be the power? Now see how many digits are there after new decimal. So you can count, there are 11 digits. So the power of 10 will be 11. Remember, it is positive because the number is very large. If the number is very small, it will be opposite. Let us see for the next number. Here we are taking decimal from left to right. So when we will remove it, you can see after 1 there will be 9 zeros, because 9 digits are there after decimal, so there will be 9 zeros. And the same number can be written as 8 upon 10 raised to power 9. This will be equals to 8 multiplied by, when we will take it to the numerator, the power will become negative. This is 10 raised to power minus 9. Means when we are representing a very small number, the power will be negative. You can write it directly, no need to do in between calculation. Let us see one more number, that is 5218.2. Here the number is more than 10 and it is a decimal number. So first of all, we have to shift the decimal in such a way so that your k lies between 1 and 10. So shift after first digit. It will become 5 point. Your k is 5.2182. Multiply by 10 raised to power. Now see, 3 digits are there between new decimal and old decimal, so the power will be 3. Why it is positive? Because the number was large. Let us see how to convert the numbers in their usual form. The first part is 52.5 into 10 raised to power 4. As I discussed earlier, it is nothing but just a shifting of decimal. But why? Let us see a proof. 52.5 multiplied by 10 raised to power 4 means 10 will be multiplied 4 times, which is equal to 10,000. This will be equal to, now shift the decimal 4 digits from the present place. So the first place will be 5, first digit 5, remaining you can put zeros. So 1 0, second 0, third 0, This is your required answer. Means when the power was positive, we shifted our decimal 4 digit from left to right. Now it is outside the number, so this is your answer. Now let us do the next part. Here the power is 6. So 158 is before the decimal, so write it as it is. Now shift your decimal 6 digits. So first digit is 9. Next you can put zeros, so there will be 5 zeros. Now the decimal is outside the number, so no need to write it. You can see the power was 6, so we shifted 6 digits after the decimal towards left to right. Next is the number where the power is negative. Let us verify. Here 10 raised to power minus 5 means 1 upon 10 raised to power 5. So 1.72 upon 10 raised to power 5 means 10 will be multiplied 5 times, it is 1 lakh. And this will be equals to, now shift the decimal toward the left side. So 72 as it is, and first digit is 1, after that 4 zeros. So now put the decimal, so 0.0000172 is your answer. The power was minus 5, so decimal is shifted 5 digits toward the left. Same we have the next number. Here the power is minus 9. So directly you can shift, no need to do in between calculations. So write number as it is, then first digit we have to shift 9 digit toward the left. So first digit is 2, then 0, 0, 0, means 8 times you have to put 0. Then you have to put decimal. This is your required answer. Let us see one more question. Express the following in the form of k into 10 raised to power n, where you know that your k lies between 1 and 10. Means the k must be between 1 and 10 always. And the first question is 1.25 multiplied by 10 raised to power 7 and whole divided by 5 into 10 raised to power 3. So first of all, let us write them in their usual form. So both the powers are positive, means both the decimal will go from left to right. So leftmost digit as it is, that is 1. Now take decimal towards the right side. So first digit is 2, second is 5. You can put 5 zeros after it. Now no need to put decimal because it is outside the number. Same here, 5 as it is, and then 10 raised to power 3 is there, so 3 zeros after it. Now divide them. So 1,25 lakh as it is, change divide into multiply and take reciprocal of divisor, so it will be 1 upon 5,000. Now divide them. 3 zeros are cancelled, 5 ones are 5, then 5 25s are 125 and 2 zeros as it is. Means your answer is 2500. Now write in the form of k into 10 raised to power n. So decimal is outside the number, bring it after first digit. This will become 2.5 into 10 raised to power 3. 3 digits are there, so the power of 10 will be 3. This is your required answer. Let us see one more such question, that is 2.5 into 10 raised to power 10 whole multiplied by 1.25 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 5. Same like previous question, write them in their usual form. So 10 raised to power 10 is there, 2 as it is, first digit is 5, then 9 zeros. Multiply by, here decimal will go towards the opposite side, means right to left. So rightmost digits as it is, then first digit is 1, second is 3, and after that you can put 3 zeros and then decimal and 0 before the decimal. Now simplify it, means 25 and 9 zeros as it is, multiply by 3125. Now for decimal you can put 1 and after that 7 digits are there, so 7 zeros. Now 7 zeros are cancelled with 7 zeros, and 25 into 3125 is 78125 and 00. Now write it in the form of k multiplied by 10 raised to power n. So this will be 7.8, put decimal after one digit, so it will be 7.8125 multiply by 10 raised to power, see 6 digits are there, so power will be 6. This is your required answer. Let us see one more such simplification, that is 3.4 into 10 raised to power 4 whole multiply by 5.0 into 10 raised to power minus 3, and in the division of this whole number we have 2.0 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5. So first of all, write all these numbers in their usual form. So the first number will be now the power is positive, decimal will go towards the right side, it is 34, and after that 3 zeros. Multiply by, decimal will go towards the left side, so it will be 0.005 whole divided by, now here the power is positive, so it will be 2, and after that raised to power 5 is there, so 5 zeros. Now simplify it. This will be equals to 34,000 multiplied by 5 upon 1000 and whole divided by 2 lakh as it is. For decimal you can put 1 here and 3 digits are there, so 3 zeros, and whole divided by 2 lakh as it is. Now let us simplify it. 3 zeros are cancelled, and now in the divisor part there is nothing in the denominator, you can put 1. So let us simplify it. 34 multiplied by 5 is 170 multiplied by, take reciprocal of divisor, it will become 1 upon 2 lakh. Now divide is changed into multiply. So 1 0 is cancelled. Now I am using the shortest method. How? Let us divide both of them by 2 first of all. So 17 1 ja 17 in the numerator, and in denominator we have 20,000. So divide them by 2 now. 2 1s are 2. 20,000 will be there, and in numerator 17 divided by 2 will be 8.5. So numerator part is k and denominator part is 10 raised to power n. So this can be written as 8.5 and take 10 raised to power 4 in the denominator, means 10,000 can be written as 10 raised to power 4. So this will be equals to 8.5 multiplied by 10 raised to power 4. You can take to the numerator, the power will become negative. So the answer is 8.5 into 10 raised to power 4. Thank you and keep smiling.